What's inside a black hole? Is it matter? In a minute or two you will learn. Imagine a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down completely. This place exists. It's called a black hole. Black holes are among the universe's most mysterious and fascinating objects. But what exactly lies inside a black hole? When a star collapses under its own gravity, it can form a black hole. This collapse creates an area where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. The boundary around a black hole is known as the event horizon. Once crossed, nothing can return, not even information. Inside this boundary, space and time become incredibly distorted. The singularity is the core of the black hole, where density becomes infinite. Matter inside a black hole is thought to be crushed into an incredibly small space. This results in immense gravitational forces. Einstein's theory of general relativity describes the curvature of spacetime inside a black hole. However, it doesn't fully explain what happens at the singularity. Quantum mechanics, another area of physics, may provide more clues. Yet, combining it with general relativity to understand black holes remains one of science's biggest challenges. Some theories suggest that black holes could contain other universes. If true, they could be gateways to entirely different realms of existence. Despite our advances, much about black holes remains speculative. Future discoveries and technologies may eventually reveal their true nature. Understanding black holes can help us unlock the secrets of the universe. They challenge our understanding of fundamental physics and inspire endless curiosity. In the end, what lies inside a black hole may remain one of the universe's most tantalizing mysteries. We continue to explore, question, and imagine. Science Facts channel. We got science facts covered. Like and subscribe for more.